what's up, and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Barbie, and thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for all my future videos. Alright guys, so for today's video, we are going to be doing another crystal haul. Now, I had made a poll over on my Instagram if you guys wanted to see a crystal haul or what I learned from selling crystals on Etsy for a year. So don't worry, I will be filming both videos. Today is going to be the Supplier crystal haul, but if you guys are looking forward to the Etsy video, make sure to subscribe down below so you can see all of my future videos. So today I have some really awesome crystals that I want to show you guys that are going to be in my Etsy shop, and I'm going to be trying something a little bit different. By the time this video goes live, all of these crystals will either be listed the day it goes live or the day after this video goes live. I haven't decided yet, but all of the crystals in this video will be live on the Etsy shop either the day this video goes live on Saturday or Sunday. So stay tuned, you guys. Check out the Etsy shop in the link down below. So if you guys want to see these gorgeous crystals that are gonna be listed in the Etsy shop, stay tuned and let's get on into the video. Okay guys, so welcome to this week's crystal haul. I'm so excited to show you some of these pieces because some of them are new to my shop, and I always like to bring you guys new crystals to shop, so I'm excited to show you. So I'm going to be going from smallest to biggest, just so you guys know that the biggest is coming at the end. So let's get started. Okay guys, so some of the first crystals I'm going to be having in my Etsy shop this week are these adorable little aura DTs, and I am so excited. If you guys know, I personally love DTs and I love aura. I know aura is not for everybody, but these are so cute. I feel like aura just makes crystals extra magical. So let me show you guys what these look like up close. Okay guys, so these are the aura clear quartz. They're so pretty. I absolutely love how they look. I love the sound of crystals together too, but these are just extra magical. There's these gorgeous little DTs. You can see there's rainbows in this one, but just really cute. These are great for crystal grids or just to have around the house. I think the aura just makes them extra magical. So really fun pieces. I have a bunch of these, so I will try to list some of these, and these are great for a starter collection because these are definitely lower price and a great way to get your hands on some clear quartz. So I'm also going to be having some aura self-standing towers. Again, these are clear quartz with aura, but I think they are really special. Not everybody likes DTs, so I'm just going to have some little aura towers. So let me show you guys what these look like up close. So these are the little aura towers. The aura on these looks really good, and these crystals are absolutely beautiful. These are just clear quartz, really gorgeous aura coating. So I just love these. So I'm going to have a few of these in the shop. Again, these will be at a really great affordable price point. So excited for these babies. So next I'm gonna have some of these gorgeous smaller amethyst roots. I absolutely love these. These are so cool. They almost look like little amethyst wands, and I have never had these in my shop before, so I'm super excited. You guys, the quality of this amethyst is so good. These are super dark purple, and these are pretty big. I've seen the huge ones, and those are pretty expensive, so I wanted to get some smaller size ones, and both these amethyst roots are double points, which makes them extra special. So let me show you guys what these look like up close. Look at the dark purple on these gorgeous babies. So these are both double points, but look at how gorgeous they are. They're absolutely beautiful. They're a pretty big size too, not huge, but a really nice size for amethyst roots. These are great to have in your collection, and these are raw and 100% natural. So I'm so excited to be offering these. So these will be again at a super great price point. So the next thing I'm going to be adding to my shop is some gorgeous crazy lace agate. Now, crazy lace agate is one of my favorite stones. I absolutely love it. The banding and coloring is so gorgeous, and some of these crazy lace towers have some druzy on them, which makes them extra special. So let me show you guys what these babies look like up close. So you can see that gorgeous druzy right there, and look at that really beautiful pop of color. These are absolutely stunning. I love the banding on them. Like, look at how gorgeous that is. I absolutely love crazy lace. It comes in so many colors: yellow, white, pink, red, gray, orange, like every color of the rainbow. So these are some really gorgeous pieces. I have some taller ones and some smaller ones. These will be at really great affordable price points. So I'm excited to be adding these into my shop. So the next thing I will be adding is some gorgeous crazy lace agate spheres. I haven't had crazy lace agate in such a long time. My supplier got some really amazing crazy lace. Again, some of these have druzy on them, so they're absolutely gorgeous. So let me show you guys what these look like up close. Look at the coloring on these, you guys. Like, how gorgeous is that? Like, I love crazy lace. It's so pretty. These look like marbled paper. They are so gorgeous. Look at that. Just stunning all the way around. All of the spheres in my shop come with a free stand, you guys. So you'll not only get these, but you will get a free stand. So these will be listed in the shop. And next we're gonna have some super gorgeous, super sparkly, double terminated strawberry points. These are stunning, you guys. These were a little bit expensive, so these aren't gonna be cheap, but they're really gorgeous. They kind of match my shirt that I have on today. So let me show you guys what these look like up close, because they are beautiful. Okay guys, look at how gorgeous and sparkly these are. These are super sparkly and a super dark red, so really high quality strawberry quartz. I am so excited for these. I mean, look at that sparkle. Absolutely stunning. And this baby one is just as gorgeous. Look at that sparkle. Woo! Lots and lots of sparkle. These look like candy, you guys. I love strawberry quartz. I've never carried DTs before, so I'm so excited to have these in the shop because they are super sparkly. Next, I'm gonna have some Agate Geode pieces. I always really like these, and this one was from my supplier's personal collection. It's not doing it justice, so let me show you guys what it looks like up close. I'm not sure if I want to sell this guy because it's so pretty, but let me show you guys. Look at that. I mean, that is insane, right? Have you ever seen one that's like so sparkly? Like, I cannot believe how gorgeous this is. And then it just has this gorgeous like lilac lavender patterning, and then it has a super cool like yellow spot on the back. But look at how gemmy that is. I mean, it's so pretty. I just can't get over its Pac-Man styled mouth. Like, how cool and special is that? So debating on if I should keep this one because it came from my supplier's personal collection, but really beautiful piece. And I have another Agate Geode skull. My bigger one that I showed in another haul has already sold out, so I wanted to get another one. And this one is really gorgeous. So let me show you guys what this one looks like up close. So this one is super gemmy. It has like tons of crystal formations right there. Really beautifully carved. I am such a sucker for a beautifully carved skull. I don't like the teeth to be too big, and I know that sounds funny, but sometimes the teeth are huge. But really gorgeous. There's the druzy right on the top of his head, so really cool. Just some really unique banding on this one. It's all natural, no dyes or anything, and I know that is super important. So really love this little natural agate skull with the little druzy hit. So the next pieces I'm gonna have are these gorgeous chunky clear quartz towers. You guys, these are so good for crystal gridding. These are so good for amplifying other crystals. These are so clear and such high quality, and also they have some gorgeous rainbows in them. So let me show you these up close because these are special. I ordered just a few of these, so I'll probably keep one for myself because I need a clear quartz tower, but these are super gorgeous. Look at how clear those are. It's insane, and really gorgeous inclusions. Stunning clear quartz all the way around. And I believe these all have rainbows, you guys. I requested that my supplier only pick them with rainbows, so let me see if I can get the rainbow to show for you guys. I mean, you guys, look at how clear that is. You can like see me pretty good through this. So really gorgeous, chunky clear quartz towers. These are really, really high quality. So super excited to have these again. So the next few pieces I have are definitely going to be a little bit more on the pricey side just because they're a little bit more rare. But let me show you guys because you will love them. Okay guys, I have two super gorgeous blue fluorite towers. This one is super dark blue and this one is a little bit lighter blue, but these are quite large towers. They are super gorgeous, super high quality. So let me show you guys what these look like up close because they are so beautiful. Okay guys, I just have my light to show you how blue this is. And it's super blue. Oh, and you see that rainbow? Look at that right there. Really, really gorgeous blue all the way through. Absolutely stunning, you guys. These are some gorgeous, gorgeous pieces. And here it is without the light so you can really see its true color. But look at that gorgeous like shimmer right there. These are stunning. These are definitely a little bit more expensive. But look at how blue, so gemmy this one. This one is so special. I'm so excited for whoever snags this one. And here's this big one, super, super blue. I'm just showing you guys the light so you can see how blue it is. Really, really gorgeous. I can't believe how beautiful these are. And this one is so stunning. It has some rainbows. It has rainbows right there. It's covered in them. So there's some more rainbows. Really, really stunning piece. Can't believe I'm not keeping this one, but really gorgeous. Look at those rainbows up there. Stunning, 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 you guys. And the next crystal I have is this super, super sparkly Lepidolite Sphere. I mean, can you guys see that? This is insane. I don't even remember buying this. It's so gorgeous. So let me show you guys what this looks like up close because it's like a disco ball. Okay, look at that. Like, this is super high quality Lepidolite. Let me slow it down. I'm going a little crazy, but look at that. I mean, whoa, 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 whoa. I have never seen a lepidolite with like big chunks of flash like this. This is super high quality, you guys. And lepidolite is one of my favorite stones. So this baby will be listed. It will be a little bit expensive, but really stunning. Absolutely stunning. I love it, love it, love it. Okay guys, that is it for this week's crystal haul. There are some amazing, amazing, amazing pieces in here. Some that I wish I could keep myself, but I know a lot of you guys out there will fall in love with these pieces just like I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's crystal haul. If you guys made it this far, leave me a crystal ball emoji down in the comments. That means I know that you guys watched all the way through. You guys are the true VIPs, and thank you guys again so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for all of my future videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!